Here's a blueprint for jobs that pay $20 an hour with zero phone calls, and they're hiring today. Let me paint you a picture. It's 7:43 in the morning. You're sitting in bumper-to-bumper traffic. Your coffee has gone cold. Your boss just sent a passive-aggressive email that starts with, "Per my last message." And you're already mentally calculating how many more years of this you can actually survive before you just snap. What if I told you there's a whole category of remote jobs that pay $20 or more per hour, require zero prior experience, involve absolutely no talking to anyone on the phone, and companies are actively hiring for them right now? No, this isn't a course. No, I'm not selling you a dream. This is real, it's documented, and by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly where to find these jobs and how to land one. Let's break it down. The category is called Async Customer Support. Async, meaning asynchronous, means everything happens through text, chat, or email. No phone calls, no video meetings, no pretending to laugh at your manager's jokes on a Zoom call. Just you, your keyboard, and your Wi-Fi connection. Companies like Amazon, Apple, American Express, and hundreds of tech startups specifically hire for what they call chat support specialists, email support representatives, and customer success associates. These roles are fully remote. They pay anywhere from $18 to $28 an hour, depending on the company, and most of them list no prior experience required or accept candidates with just a high school diploma. Here's why this works. Companies have realized that hiring globally and asynchronously is cheaper and more efficient than running call centers. Your gain. So where do you find these jobs? Start with LinkedIn and filter by remote and no experience required. Then go to We Work Remotely. That's weworkremotely.com. Check out remote.co and FlexJobs. For the bigger brand names like Apple, Amazon, and American Express, go directly to their careers pages and search Remote Chat Support. Apply to at least 10 positions per week. This is a numbers game, especially early on. Now here's where most people sabotage themselves. They get the interview, they pass the skills test, they get the job, and then they fall apart within 60 days because they have absolutely no system for working from home. And this is where I have to tell you about something that genuinely changed how I and a lot of remote workers actually function. Because here's the dirty truth about working from home. Nobody tells you about the back pain. Sitting on your couch with a laptop sounds amazing until hour 3, when your spine starts staging a full protest. Or the mental fog. When your office is also your bedroom, you might find yourself staring at a wall for hours on end. The truth is, working from home requires systems and boundaries that most people overlook. And once you get them in place, that's when you actually thrive. Your brain literally stops knowing when to focus and when to shut down. The physical solution that remote workers swear by: an ergonomic lumbar support cushion. I'm not joking. Something as simple as a high-quality lumbar support pillow for your chair. There's a highly rated one on Amazon. Link is in the description below. Can be the difference between a productive 8-hour shift and calling it quits at noon because your lower back feels like it's been bench-pressed by a very angry stranger. It sounds ridiculous until you've worked remote for a month. Then it sounds like the smartest $30 investment you've ever made. Grab it, put it on whatever chair you're working from, and your body will send you a thank you note. Back to the blueprint. Step 1. Build a simple resume that highlights communication skills, reliability, and basic computer proficiency. Step 2. Apply to async support roles on the platforms I mentioned. Step 3. In your cover letter, specifically mention that you're comfortable with written communication and high-volume ticket environments. Step 4. Set up your home workspace properly, because how you work at home directly determines whether you keep the job. This is not complicated. It's not a secret society. It's just information that nobody handed you until right now. The jobs exist. The pay is real. Your only job today is to start applying. Go. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.